Hi you guys, I bring to you good news of great tidings. Yes, good news. You don't need a professional to edit your pictures for you again. Don't waste your money. You can do this right on your phone. Come, let me gist you how. Welcome to RIONA'S space. I am Riona and I am here again with another update. Hey, update with the hot like today's bread. I'm here with another update. I'm going to teach you guys how to edit your pictures, especially your selfies, right on your phone, just with few apps, like two apps. You don't need to go and meet anybody and pay anybody to teach you how to edit pictures. I'm giving you the updates right here, right now. So ensure you share this video. You click the link attached to this video and share this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to hit the notification bell as to get notified when I post new videos. And if at the end of this video you like what you just watched, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below what other updates you guys would like me to teach you. The next clip you'll be seeing is a screen record of the tutorial on how to edit your picture, and this is quite easy because you can do it both on your Android phone and on your iPhone. Let's go.
Hi guys, so I'll be teaching you how to take your picture from something like this to something like this. Let's go. So the first app you'll be needing is Toonme app. You can go to your app store to download it, or you go to your Google Play Store to download it. And then you sign up. I'm already signed in, so it takes me directly to the app. Then you'll be given a couple of edits that you can pick from. So any edit you pick is the way your picture is going to appear. Pro tip: remember our picture is in a portrait form. The picture I'm about to edit is in a portrait form, so picking an edit like this is going to cut the picture, and that might not be advisable for the latter part of this edit. So we'll have to pick a picture that comes in a portrait form, an edit that comes in a portrait form. This is the picture. Oh, it's cutting it. Oh, okay, let's go back. We don't want something that would crop the picture. Okay, so let's pick this and let's pick the picture we want to edit. Good, it's not cropping it, so we click on this arrow, then it edits. Yes, so it has cartoonized it, and this edit is quite natural compared to the other cartoons. I like this. So click on these three dots, save to device. Don't click on download yet. See this Toonme logo, click on it, click on not now, click on yes. It's going to show you ad for these counting seconds, so you allow it to finish up the ad so that it can remove the watermark from your picture. You don't want that on your picture. Yeah, so you click on this cancel sign here, then now you can click on download. See, there's no more watermark on the picture, so click on download. My network, okay, it's saved. My network was acting up, but it's saved. So all you have to do now is go to the second app we are going to use, Snapseed. You can download from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Click on Snapseed. Now click on plus sign, then click on the just edited picture, select it. Now click on tools, click on double exposure. This picture sign here, click on it and go select the unedited picture of this just edited picture. I don't know if you understand what I mean, the unedited one before you edited it. So go to your gallery and search for it. This is it here. So it is going to place that unedited picture on the edited picture. That is why it is called double exposure, to make it look natural. So you click on this sign here, opacity, then you edit it to choice. You can see, you edit it to choice. This extreme beginning makes it more cartoonish and quite artificial. This other extreme shows you the raw picture, so all you need to do is put it at the middle. Then you click on your tick sign. Looks natural and beautiful. Then we're not done. Click on tools, click on HDR scape, choose people, then slide to the left. As you can see, if you slide too much, it's going to give it too much saturation. So slide to the left and choose about 25 for the filter strength. Okay, then no, we're not using this. Click on details, slide to the right a little bit, say plus 10 or 15, slide up, slide to the right, say plus 15 or equally. Click on your tick sign. Voila, this is beautiful. Now your picture has completely been transformed. Now you click on export, then you click on save. There you have it. You have your picture from something like this to something like this.
What a huge relief, right? Yes, you don't need to go and pay all those people, especially the ones on Instagram saying come and pay 10k, come and pay 6k to learn how to edit with your phone. It's very, very easy. Now, if you like this tutorial, do well to give this video a huge thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as to when I post my next video. And I'll see you in my other videos. Love you. Ciao.